Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the LookFantastic unboxing for February for you. I took it off rather quickly, and the only problem that I had was when I got the shipping confirmation and the tracking code. When I clicked on the tracking link, it said that we have not received a package with your order number or something like that. So this was a pleasant surprise that it arrived today, and yeah, I can smell something through the box, so I hope nothing is broken. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like. It's a lot of pink, and there is no QR code in, at least from what I can tell, so that's nice. Yeah, there's no QR code. Did I not say, like, last month that, oh, this box was not that bad? So what am I gonna start with? This. Oh, my first ever Spectrum brush. Okay, so this is the B06 Fluffy Blender Brush. Apparently this has hypoallergenic bristles, it's vegan and cruelty free, and it gives you a professional performance. Okay. Ooh, that is super soft. Obviously you cannot tell on the video, but this is super soft. Oh, nice. Yes, I can always use a brush like that. Thing is, I have two glasses here, like two vintage Disney glasses, and on one is my black and darker brushes, and then the other one is white and pink, and that one is almost overflowing. But oh, this feels nice, and I love the ombre on the bristles too. So here we go. The first thing that I open up and I actually enjoy. So then, there's a lot of pink and white here, and there's one red item. So, ooh, this is the, oh god, Groom? Someone told me how it is pronounced when we received, what was it, the dry shampoo? Like, not the dry shampoo, but the shampoo bar. And I already forgot. This is the Moisture Massage Bar. Nourish and Hydrate with lavender and neroli. Of course I'm gonna smell this. Oh, that smells really nice. It is a bit sticky, but I can already feel this is very moisturizing. Oh, that smells pretty good. Oh, that smells really nice. I'm definitely going to try that out. Now, I don't like a weird film on my hands, which is exactly what this will give me, but I will try that anyways. Your chance to transition from tension to tranquility. Aqueous paints and dry skin will melt away when faced with this replenishing blend of butters, oil, and sultry aromas. The bowl will begin to melt when placed directly onto dry skin. Wait until a sufficient amount has melted onto the area, then massage this in. Try warming between dry hands before placing on the body. Reapply as often or as you like. So I will definitely try that out. I might have to wash my hands afterwards, but I'm excited. I'm going to do this one, then the rest is all pink. So this is Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, focusing and soothing. Massage directly into any problem areas to experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger, helping to soothe and recover. Oh, I have that one muscle in my back. It's basically like the shoulder blade and the muscle that goes along with it. It always hurts. I don't know, maybe because I'm not sitting straight or because I'm sleeping in a very weird position. That always hurts, so I will definitely try this one out. 100%. I can open this, but I will try that. Okay, so the rest is pink. I don't really like pink. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not my favorite. Okay, so we have the Peter Thomas Roth Rose Stem Cell Anti-Aging Gel Mask. Isolates and replicates 5 perfect rose plant stem cells and 4 nourishing rose extracts. Apply a generous coat onto clean skin. Allowed to remain on for 10 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Use 2 to 3 times a week or daily, depending on your skin needs. What is a generous amount? Like, I'm always curious, like, because honestly, to some people, a generous amount might be the whole bottle. What is this? The Lottie London. Oh yeah, I'm not going to use that. I will give this away as hell. This is the Lottie London Ready Set Go Setting Powder, brightening pink. Now, first off, I don't use any brightening powders, and I don't really like loose powders like that. I have started one by Terry. It's loose powder, and I actually pressed it with rubbing alcohol because I don't like loose powder. So yeah, I will not unwrap this. What is this stick in there? Oh, I will probably sell this or give away or whatever. It's just not my favorite thing. It's also messy too. Oh. Okay, last but not least. Ooh. Oh. Christophe Robin, or Christophe Robin, however you say it. Cleansing or volumizing paste with rose extracts. No, wait, English. Apply a tablespoon size onto wet hair and work through in sections. Gently massage, focusing on the roots. Add water, massage, then rinse. To intensify results, leave the paste on the hair for 2 minutes before rinsing. Follow with the volumizing conditioner and the volumizing mist. Like, this stuff always smells so good. I'm not a big fan of roses, like the rose smell, but sometimes really nice. And yeah, this is one of those very, very thick paste. Like there's absolutely no movement in whatsoever. Yeah, you really have to dig your finger in to get something out. Oh, that smells really, really good. Oh, I cannot wait. You know, fun fact is, I just went grocery shopping and I came back with a hair mask because my current one is almost empty. Now I got this. Alright, I'll see. I thought that this was a lip gloss, and I kind of would have preferred that. But yeah, the thing is, I have so many products that I'm currently using. I have a product like this, you know, like a gel that gets warm from the actual pharmacy. So I will not use that one right now. I'm still working on my other hair mask that's not empty, so I cannot use that one, this one, yet. I still have a lot of other face products to use first, but I will get to it. And once my body lotion is empty, I will use this. And then the brush, I don't know, I will probably use this in a look. So yeah, overall this was not that bad of a box. Honestly, the thing, I feel like this is a little, like, do you really have to put this into a box? Like, how many people are going to use this? Yeah, I'm excited for this because it smells really good. I'm already not a fan of all the masks that will be, you know, with like the film on my hands and all, but I will try to push through it and then use. And this one I will give away because I'm not going to use that. Let me know what you think. I could not read anything to you because there's no QR code, and honestly, that page is a little tricky to navigate. You have to log in first to actually see the leaflet, the online pamphlet and all. So yeah, let me know if you had any of these products. I'm so excited for the brush. I heard a lot of things about that brand, and you know, a lot of people have brushes from them, so I'm excited. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and it's the next one.